In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile PayPal sales and fees in Xero 5 minutes. First, log into Xero and head to your accounts or bank accounts area so you can see the PayPal feed alongside your other bank accounts. Before you start reconciling, make sure your PayPal account is actually connected to Xero. If you see PayPal listed with recent statement lines and an updated balance, you're good to go. If it's missing or not updating, connect it from the bank account screen so transactions flow in automatically. Next, open the PayPal account and locate the transaction you want to reconcile. I'll use a demo bank feed here, but the process is the same. Click into Reconcile to work through the statement lines one by one. You'll see each PayPal deposit or withdrawal on the left, and you'll either match it to existing items or create a new transaction on the right. When a customer pays you via PayPal and that money lands in the feed, find the bank statement line for that payment. If Xero doesn't find an exact match, choose to create a receive money transaction. Enter the contact if you have one, set the description so it's clear what was sold, and code the line to your sales or revenue account. If the sale relates to an existing invoice, use the find and match option instead to link the payment to that invoice, keeping your accounts receivable tidy. Check the tax rate that applies in your region and use the reference field to record the PayPal transaction ID for audit clarity. Once the details look right, approve the reconciliation. Now handle the PayPal fees. If the fee appears as a separate withdrawal in the feed, open that line and create a spend money transaction. Describe it as PayPal processing fee, code it to your PayPal fees or merchant fees expense account, and select the appropriate tax treatment. If the fee was deducted from the deposit and shows as a second line, you can use an adjustment on the sales receipt to record the fee to the same expense account so the net amount matches your bank line. To save time going forward, set up a bank rule that automatically codes PayPal fee transactions as spend money to your fees expense account. Base the rule on common text in the description, choose the default tax rate, and apply it to your PayPal account so future fees are recognized instantly. That's it. You've captured the full sale, recorded the processing fee correctly, and kept your PayPal balance in Xero accurate and ready for reporting.